Let's learn how to use iPhone camera as webcam in OBS on MacBook. So let's get started. Head over to add source and then click on video capture device. Then click on OK. Here you need to click on device. Currently you can see FaceTime HD camera. If we want to connect our iPhone with OBS, we need to adjust settings in our iPhone. So let's move to the iPhone. Here you need to go to the settings. Here you need to search continuity camera. Click on it. Here you can see continuity camera option. Use your iPhone as webcam for your Mac when both devices are near each other. Enable it. After enabling continuity camera in iPhone, now you can see devices. So let's test it. Fix camera. This is the name of my device. Now you can see my back camera is working. In iPhone it will show like this. You can simply pause it or disconnect it from your MacBook. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.